This is a security alert message from Microsoft Windows Service Provider. We would like to inform you that your Windows Defender security has been compromised, for which you have paid us earlier to protect your computer. Now we are not able to provide any further services to your computer. Hence, we have issued full refund against the payment you have made to us. To get back your refund credited to your account, please press 1 to get connected to our refund department. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello. Yes, hello.
This is Alex Albert calling you from Microsoft Windows Refund Department. So first of all, how are you doing today, right now?
I'm doing fine, thank you, Alex. So something's wrong with my computer? I'm not quite certain what's going on.
Sir, actually, sir, I am talking about your refund.
Oh, okay.
Sir, yesterday we had a server got crashed in our department due to some technical issues and faults.
Oh, okay.
That's why I call you. Sir, I believe I am speaking with the main owner of the computer right now.
That's correct. Yes.
So you just need to be in front of your computer, sir.
Okay. All right. So I would need to turn it on, I guess. I need to turn on my computer.
Okay, sir. So what do you see in your computer screen?
Oh, well, hey, maybe you can help me now about a refund. I've been having trouble with my computer, and maybe you can help me with it here, help me through it. Would that be possible?
Sir, actually, I'm talking, that is the reason is to inform you, yes, because our global server of Microsoft has been receiving lots of technical error and warning report.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm in front of my computer now. Yeah.
So what do you see in your computer screen?
Well, here's the problem. You called at the right time because my cat I have a laptop, and my cat got up on the laptop and peed all over my laptop and got cat urine all over it, and it's not been working at all since. You think I need a new computer?
But what can I see in my database? In this residential address, someone using a computer.
No one's using the computer because the cat peed on it.
Okay, as you wish.
Can you help me with that? I guess you can't. Okay. He hung up on me. That was a silent hang up. Well, I guess he couldn't help me because my cat peed on the computer. So, I'm out of luck.